मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगी। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hi, you're watching The Suvera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Sports are considered to be an important part for the overall well-being, and governments, they also indulge youths to keep youth away from the drugs. So under Yudh Nasha Virudh, Punjab government has also initiated different tournaments to indulge youth into the sports. They have organized Kheda Watan Punjab Diyan. Although this year, as Punjab has faced devastating floods, so as of now, the Kheda Watan Punjab Diyan has been delayed, and it is yet not confirmed that whether it will be organized or not. But Punjab government, it is continuously taking initiative to uplift the sports in the state of Punjab. So infrastructures is also being developed across the state. So you can see we are here at Ludhiana Guru Nanak Stadium. Earlier this synthetic track, it was damaged. The bubbles had appeared on this synthetic track and it was lying damaged for past long time, and now this synthetic track has been developed. Similarly, the basketball stadium has been renovated and several other stadiums are renovated in this by the Punjab government. We are having with us a District Sports Officer Kuldeep Chugh. Kuldeep Chugh ji, welcome to The Suvera.
Thank you so much.
Kuldeep Chugh ji, how you see the developments taking on fast pace in the sports sector?
As you see, there are a lot of infrastructure happening right now. Currently, this turf has been newly renovated. Basketball grounds are newly renovated. Hockey turf has newly renovated. So we can say that we are going in the positive side. So infrastructure wise also we have the main in the villages, the main demand of the students from the village sector was that there was no coaches. So we have appointed 27 nursery coaches in all 14 constituencies of the Ludhiana. Okay. So they are giving coaching, free of cost coaching to that concerned side. Like in Chakar, we have a boxing nursery center. So the coach is working really hard, and we have continuously meetings. We are continuously checking on the center's part, and we are continuously meeting to the head office. So we are organizing everything. We have organizing national level. Currently, we have organized national level basket competition. We have organized national level athletic meet. So we are on the positive side of organizing tournaments. Also, we are positive on the side of students who want to participate in the village side. They don't have to come to the district side. They can play at their area with the nursery coach.
Right. So, sir, as you have been into the sports for past long time, you are recently deployed as a district sports officer over here. How much increase in participation you have witnessed? If we talk about the previous, before 2022 and after 2022, after the change in the government, how much increase in the participation you have witnessed?
Sir, there are a lot of increase in the participation, especially in the nursery coaching centers. Okay. Because earlier there were no coaches in the on the constituency side, on the village side. Okay. Because there were no coaches. They have to come to the district side and they can't travel that much. So whenever, if they want to train, they have to come to the district headquarter and they have to travel a lot. Right. So whenever they come for like 2 weeks, then they वो छोड़ देते थे. Then again, so the main solution government has organized for them is to appoint nursery coaches, and government is also renovating nursery grounds. So we have nursery coaches also. We are also renovating the grounds in the nursery villages.
Okay. Sir, when we meet the sports person, when we talk to the players, the main demands they say there are some demands like financial advances, they demand infrastructure, they demand proper coaching. So as you mentioned that the coaches have been provided in the village area, infrastructure is being developed. What about the financial advances to the players?
Sir, we have also been in the path of policy. We have specially designed a policy in which a national level player, state level player, international player, we have financial assistance for all kind of players. So we are providing financial assistance according to the policy of the head office. So we like if a state level player or national level player, if he got a medal in national level, he's like government is paying them amount of money which is under the policy, which is covered under the policy.
And it was observed that last year when Kheda Watan Punjab Diyan was organized, the awards it were directly paid to the account of the players.
Yes, directly it was paid to the players, but we obviously last year also we got their account numbers. We have submitted their prize money through their account number because it's a government procedure. So we took their account numbers and we sent them in their account number. So this time also, if Kheda Watan will be organizing in the next coming month or so, we have formulated a new software designed specially by our head office, in which all the data of the players who are participating in the Kheda Watan Punjab Diyan is properly channelized and properly been thoroughly checked by the head office, so that proper account number has to be placed in that software.
As we have seen that, as you even mentioned that hockey turf has been advanced and it has been changed at PAU grounds. So athletic track has been changed over here. Basketball stadium has been renovated. What are the other sectors in which infrastructure is being developed? Like we have heard demand from the volleyball players also that they need upgrade in the infrastructure.
Actually we have a PIS Volleyball Excellence Center. So we are in the continuously meetings. We are in the continuous meeting with the DC sir, with the head office, with the SAI. We have already put a demand for indoor volleyball hall because as you know that in Olympics volleyball is a indoor game. So we have a national level players. Whenever there is a rainy season or this kind of thing, players always miss their practice. So we want there should be a multi-purpose hall in the SCD Government College, which DC sir has promised us that they will give that hall. They will make that hall in SCD Government Hall. We already meetings with the DC sir, so they have promised that thing. We will do that.
Sir, as you have been the part of the state government in the sports sector for past long time, what was the difference earlier in the previous government? What used to be that if you are presenting a demand for some grant, so how much time it used to take earlier, and what is the time now? Has it been speed up?
It has improved in a very you can say that in a very positive way. Earlier whenever there was a infrastructure issue and we have put a demand, it will take a lot of time. It was taken a lot of time to improvise that thing. But in this, as you know, I have been appointed in Ludhiana from last 1 year. So from last 1 year, you can see that a turf has been renovated, basketball ground, international kind of stadium has been already renovated, athletic turf has been renovated. So in 1 year, these kind of things with Kheda Watan Punjab Diyan, continuously we have in the path of improving infrastructure, and plus there is also work is going on in the multipurpose hall, PU flooring. So there are a lot of infrastructure going on in Ludhiana right now.
Last question, as you are also a coach, what and you are also a district sports officer. So, what shortcomings you see in the sports sector as of now, which you see that in these sectors also you need improvement?
I just want players need to have little bit of patience. Like we can't have a medal on a if we are training for 2-3 days. We have to be very patient. Medals will not come in a single or 2 days. It will take 2-3 years to be perfect to get that medal. So we have to be patient because our coaches are working really hard. But on the player side, we have to be little patient so that everything gonna happen very soon. Just have faith in the coaches. You will see result will automatically come.
Thank you so much. So he was District Sports Officer Kuldeep Chugh, and as he mentioned that different infrastructure development projects are coming up, and have already you can see that the athletic track has been renovated over here, basketball stadium has been renovated, and he even mentioned that the hockey astroturf has been replaced by the international standard turf, and renovation works are also going on in a multi-purpose hall. Beside, they are also working to provide indoor volleyball stadium. So different development projects, infrastructure development projects in the sports sectors are going on over here in Ludhiana, and he also highlighted how Punjab government it is working to involve youth into the sports to keep youth away from the drugs menace. And he mentioned that on the village level the nursery coaches have been provided, grounds are being built over there so that the youth of the villages, they do not need to travel long distance, they do not need to come to the city, they can be provided training over there in their villages. So different efforts are being made by the Punjab government to uplift the sports sector of the state. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.